Hi traders, welcome back to my channel. I'm Madi B from BloomFX and I just finished to do the weekly analysis and I said to share them here with you. I would like to start with EURJPY with the monthly chart. Right now we have here in front of us the monthly chart, and I want to remember that exactly as I said last weeks ago, okay, about EURJPY that closed above 129,700 area, and it had already made 70 pips, okay? Even if EURJPY will test the 130,600 area again, I will continue to bet on a sell, okay? This week, EURJPY makes a dangerous range, okay? So if you are going to go on the smaller time frames, you will see a ranging zone, okay? And even if I still bet on a sell, because on the 1 month chart, so this is the 1 month chart, okay, EURJPY is already overbought, okay, and it formed the W that we can see it right now here, but only up to the area 128,700, then to 128,200 area, okay? Even if I think that EURJPY will first to climb back to 132,600 area, okay? So wait for the best confirmation, okay? However, a close even for 4 hours, okay, over the 130.700 area will force me think of a buy for at least, I don't know, 200, maybe 300 pips, okay? And please have a great attention that our analysis have an accuracy of over 91% due to the market manipulation during this period. I will avoid putting exactly values of stop losses, okay? And please try to trade only if you find any confirmation, okay? And please give a like if you find this idea useful. I would like to continue with EURUSD, and we have here the EURUSD on the weekly chart. And again, I will repeat myself. As I said last week, EURUSD closed over Fibonacci 786 area, and which is around here, and it was oversold in the last few weeks. That's why I expect an ascent to the Fibonacci 618 area, okay? So I was expecting for the price to reject from this area and come up. I hope that you had this buy, because I said already what will happen. This week, EURUSD also climbed above the Fibonacci 618 area, okay? So it went higher than this area, and it closed above the Fibonacci 0.5, okay? From where, even if it climbs to 1.2150, okay, 12150, which is around here, it will make it will have a 40-50 pips rejection, and then it will go up again, okay? So the price can reject from this area, come a little bit down, create like a liquidity grab, and then it's going to continue to go higher, okay? Please try to trade this pair only if you have any confirmation. Let's go to EURJPY, and EURJPY, we have it here, the weekly chart, and I will repeat myself what I said last weeks. I will look for a buy, and this what happened, that the price rejected from here, from what we have here, 0.85 area, and then it went up, okay? And this week, exactly as I said last week, on EURJPY, it went up 250 pips from where it will go down to the 0.86100 area, okay, which it will also, it's where is also the area of the trend line, okay. So this is the trend line formed in the recent years, and then the price will go up. So for you to be easier to understand is that the price is going to reject from here, come to this trend line, okay. You see that I have put here the lines and everything. The price will come back down here, retest the trend line, and then to go up again. Please try to find the best opportunity to go into the market only if you have confirmation, okay. Without any confirmation, please don't go into the trade. Let me continue with USDJPY. And about USDJPY, this is also the weekly chart. And again, I will say that, as I said last month, USDJPY rejected from the Fibonacci 786 area, which means it's 103.600, and now it's on its way to 109.500 area, okay. This week USDJPY rejected, as I said, until the 108.600 area, and even if it goes up 3 or maybe 30-40 pips, okay, it will retest again 108.400 area, and then 108 zone, okay. So I'm expecting for the price to reject, to come back down to this area of 108, okay, and from here the price to go up again to retest this trend line, okay. I think it's very simple to understand, but you should wait for the best confirmation, okay. Let me continue with GBPUSD. And the GBPUSD, this is also the week, oh no, this is the monthly chart, sorry. And I will repeat myself that, as I said last week's, GBPUSD has already dropped something like 550 pips from the how I predicted, okay. Even if he makes a range in this area and it climbed again to 1.38700, I will keep my idea to a descending until he restores all the W, okay. So here we have the W, and I'm expecting for the price to reject from this area and then to come back down. This week climb, as I said, in the area of 1.38700 zone, okay. Even if it will retest the 1.39 area, okay, so it means that the price will reject from this area, continue to go up, it will retest 1.39 area, okay, once again, and GU will continue to descend, okay, and it will make the 1000 pips that I was estimated in the last weeks, especially since in this area it's also the trend line formed in the recent years, okay, and also the W. So I am really expecting for the price to reject from this area, from this trend line, okay, and maybe to correct this whole move that it already happened here. So if you are watching on the monthly chart, then you can consider it also like a range zone, a very huge range zone, okay. So wait for the best confirmation before going into a trade, and please have a great attention that our analysis have an accuracy of over 91% due to the market manipulation during this period. We will avoid putting exactly values of stop losses, okay, and we also recommend avoiding short-term trades. let me go to gold. And what we can say about gold is that you can go and check and see what I said last week's. That gold reached, as I said, the Fibonacci 618 area, which is here, from where I expect a major rejection until the area of 1760, okay, which is around this zone. Okay, this week, as I said last week's, gold rejected from Fibonacci area of 618, okay, and reached over 1760, exactly as I said, okay, from where it will have a small rejection up to 1760 and then up again around 18 or maybe 1820. So I really expect for the price to come back down a little bit, reject the 0.5 area, okay, where we have also the Fibonacci level, create like a liquidity grab, okay, the candle is creating the wick, and then it's going to fly away. This is what I do believe, but please try to trade this pair, and not only this pair, only if you have the confirmation. AUD/USD, AUD/USD, let me take it a little bit like this. I think that this week has retested the area of the trend line, okay, so this is the trend line, this is the huge channel, okay, that I was speaking about last week and so on. So as I said, even if it will go up like 30-40 pips, okay, it will continue to the descent as I announced in the last weeks, okay. So I'm expecting for the price to come a little bit up, maybe create like a wick, okay, rejected from this area, and then to come back down and then come back up, retest again this zone, and to go even deeper. So what I'm expecting next week is that the price will reject from this trend line, and then it will continue to go down. Please try to trade only if you have any confirmation. Let me continue with the hollow chain. Well, this one, it's very cute, okay, and I started to invest in them and I like them very much, and I said that I will do also a new project and I will put it in the BloomFX community. And I can say that one of the projects that I believe in the most is Hollow, okay. I managed to invest in it when I was when it was quite low, and now I'm waiting to invest again, okay. So what I can say that he rejected, okay, from the Fibonacci 0 point area, okay, so it came back down here, rejected from this area of 0.5, and now it should continue to climb to 0.032, okay, and from there the price to continue to go even higher. So it's very simple. The price will come a little bit down, create like a wick, okay, grabbing some liquidity, and then it's going to continue to go higher. So if you want to invest in this one, yeah, I think it's a very good opportunity for a buy, okay. And now we have the BitTorrent. Also this one is also another project which I have invested heavily, and in which I am preparing to invest again. So this one rejected again from the Fibonacci level of 0.5, which is around here, and where I am prepared to have a buy again, okay. So what do what I believe is that the price will continue to go higher. And please have a great attention that our analysis have an accuracy of over 91% due to the market manipulation during this period. I will avoid putting exactly values of stop losses, okay? And now let me continue with the last one, and it's about DXY. And as I said, if you remember, as I said on the March, okay, on March of 21 of March, DXY is in a strong downward trend, and it for if for 1 week it rejected the 3 weeks in a row from the Fibonacci 0.5 area, which is around here, okay, so I'm talking about this zone. I expect it to continue the descent to the Fibonacci 382 area, which is around here, okay. This week, even if it climbed from the Fibonacci 786 area, okay, DXY it's continuing its downward trend, where we are talking about, and will reach the Fibonacci zone of 0.382. It will go exactly where I said, where it's going to find a very strong area, okay. And even if it's going to reject and rise again to 91.950 area, okay, the trend is in a continuing descent. So I do believe that the price, it will hit this zone of 0.382, okay. Maybe the price will go up a little bit, retest again the Fibonacci 0.5 area, which is 91.950, and from here to reject and come back down again. So right now we are in a downtrend, and we are expecting more movement, okay. And please give a like if you find all my ideas useful. If you feel comfortable, also you can give a comment. And for those that they are already in my group channel, I will come back to you, and we will have trades together. And for those that they want to be in my channel, they can go to my Instagram page, and there they will find all the information, because I said that also this next week I will give a free pass to 10 people that they want to come into my educational chat group, and they want to learn my strategy, and maybe they will improve a little bit their trading system. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that all the information that I gave it to you, it's very useful, and hope that you will have a successful week. Thank you so much.